my presentation. My name is Bayona. My grade is 6-2. My favorite food is fruit salad. The salad uses the following ingredients: apple, pineapple, mango, milk cream, and cheese. Steps. 1 step. Cut fruits into squares. 2 step. Grate the cheese and put it on plate. 3 step. Put everything in a cup and apply the milk cream. Fourth step. Legs bounce back. Ready we can. Enjoy delicious fruit salad.